Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a baby bib. What you're going to need is a pattern for your bib. I'll leave mine in the description below. You're also going to need 1 or 2 different fabrics, and you're also going to need some interfacing, fusible interface. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to cut out all your pieces. You want to place it on the fold and just pin it and cut it out. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing with the other fabric. If you have 2 different fabrics, I like to have 1 pattern fabric for the front side, and then I want to use a plain fabric for the back side. Okay, so now that you have your 2 fabrics cut out, you're going to want to cut the fusible interfacing. The only one that I had is this thin one, but you can use a thicker cotton one just to make it more padded. Okay, now that you have all 3 pieces cut out, you're going to iron the fusible interfacing onto one of the fabrics. It doesn't matter which one. I chose the pink one because it's a lot thinner and also it's a little transparent. Okay, now that you've ironed on your interfacing, you're going to take the other piece of fabric, put them right sides together, and you're going to sew all around, leaving a 3.5 inch opening at the bottom, so then we can flip this inside out after. Okay, after you've sewn, you're going to cut and trim all the edges, and you also want to cut out any corners. And around the curves, you can cut out little triangles so that when you flip it inside out, it lays flat and curved and it doesn't get all bunched up. After you've cut and trimmed out all the corners and edges, you can go ahead and flip this inside out. I had a stick to use to push out the corners at the top of the bib. Okay, so now that you've flipped it inside out, you can iron it flat all the way around, and then we are going to top stitch all around the edge. This will close the hole at the bottom, and it'll also just make the bib lay nice and flat and just look prettier. As you can see, I top stitched all the way around. The hole is now closed, and now we are going to add something to pin the bib together. So I use these sew-on snaps. You can use Velcro or any other type of snaps that you have. So then you're just going to play around with it, see where you want to put them. If you have Velcro, you can just sew it right on, make a little square, and then sew a little X all the way around, and that's your Velcro. For the snaps, you do have to hand stitch these, so you have your male and female side, and you're going to place them on there. You can mark them with chalk so you know where it's going to be, because they do move around when you start to sew them on. You're just going to grab a needle and some thread. I used white thread. It's the same thread that I used all the way around. Okay, and to start sewing these snaps, you're going to just sew it one time through on just the upper fabric. Don't put it all the way through. And then you're just going to put it through the hole and continue that same process. When you go on to the next hole, you're going to do the same thing. Just do one little stitch underneath where the hole is, just through the top part of the fabric, and then you're going to continue the in and out process of it. now that you've sewn one side, you're going to do the exact same process to the other side. Okay, and you guys are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.